Welcome to your next Alabama Gulf Coast beach vacation. I'm Jessica with Elite Vacation Rentals. We're standing here at Escapes to the Shores. Let's go take a tour. Come on in. Have you ever had any unwanted surprises while vacationing? Stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to give you some helpful vacation planning tips. Escapes to the Shore is a very spacious 2-bed, 2-bath unit. It's over 1,600 square feet. When you come to Escapes, you're going to feel like you're home away from home. Both bedrooms have king-size bed and their own ensuite. One bedroom has a completely private bathroom with walk-in shower and a jacuzzi tub. The second bedroom also has a bathroom shared with the hallway. It has a walk-in shower and jacuzzi tub as well. The kitchen overlooks the dining and living room with beautiful Gulf views. Escapes to the Shores is known for their large 2-bedroom floor plans, this one being over 1,600 square feet. This beautiful property sleeps 6. Escapes has resort-like amenities. They have an indoor heated pool, outdoor pool, 2 indoor hot tubs, a steam room, sauna, and so much more. Have you ever started your vacation off on the wrong foot? Here are 3 vacation planning tips that will help avoid at all costs. Tip number 1, know your location. We are in the heart of Orange Beach, Alabama, and in walking distance to several restaurants and other local attractions. Tip number 2, choose a property management company that you can trust. Elite Vacation Rentals prides ourselves in concierge level services. This means that we are with you from beginning to the end. When you choose the property of your choice, from your first inquiry to the last review, we are with you along the way. Tip number 3 is a money saver. If you book directly with us through EliteBeachVacations.com, it'll help save you on third-party service fees. We can't wait to host you at Elite Vacation Rentals. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell for more notifications on Elite Vacation Rentals.